2026 Nissan Armada. Starting at $58,530. Highs. Strong twin-turbo V6 engine, handles well for a big SUV, luxurious interior without the luxury SUV price tag. Lows. Occasionally jittery ride quality, engine is loud at idle, not as spacious inside as some rivals. Verdict. Thanks to improvements to its driving experience and interior, the capable Armada is a strong contender in the full-size SUV class. Picture this, a crisp autumn morning, the sun casting a warm glow on the vibrant foliage. I'm behind the wheel of the 2026 Nissan Armada, ready to embark on a journey that promises comfort and adventure. When I saw this majestic SUV, I knew it was something special. Its commanding presence, bold lines, and refined details create an aura of power and sophistication. The Armada isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. A spacious sanctuary. Stepping inside, I'm greeted by a hollow interior that exudes luxury. The plush leather seats, meticulously crafted dashboard, and premium materials create an ambience of indulgence. The Armada's cabin isn't just spacious, it's a sanctuary on wheels. Whether I'm cruising through the city or venturing off the beaten path, the Armada's cabin remains a haven of tranquility. The noise insulation is superb, blocking the hustle and bustle of the outside world. The ride is smooth and composed, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease. Power and performance. Under the hood lies a beastly 5.6-liter V8 engine that roars to life with a satisfying growl. With 400 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque, the Armada surges forward with effortless authority. Merging onto the highway is a breeze, and overtaking slower vehicles is a matter of a gentle press on the accelerator. The Armada's powertrain isn't just capable, it's exhilarating. Towing and hauling. As an avid outdoor enthusiast, I often tow trailers and hauling gear. The Armada's 8,500-pound towing capacity and generous cargo space make it the perfect companion for my adventures. Whether I'm hauling a boat to the lake or camping gear to the mountains, the Armada handles it all with grace and composure. Its towing prowess isn't just impressive, it's empowering. Technology and safety. The 2026 Armada is packed with cutting-edge technology that enhances convenience and safety. The intuitive infotainment system, featuring a large touchscreen display, keeps me connected and entertained on the go. The advanced safety features, including automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, provide peace of mind on every journey. The Armada's technology isn't just innovative, it's reassuring. A personal touch. Its ability to cater to my needs sets the Armada apart from its competitors. The customizable interior, with its versatile seating configurations and ample storage options, adapts to my lifestyle. Whether I'm transporting a large group of friends or hauling bulky cargo, the Armada's flexibility is unmatched. Its adaptability isn't just convenient, it's liberating. Fuel efficiency. While the Armada's powerful V8 engine delivers exhilarating performance, it's essential to acknowledge its fuel efficiency. With an EPA estimated 14 mpg in the city and 19 mpg on the highway, the Armada isn't the most frugal SUV on the market. However, for those who prioritize power, capability, and comfort, the Armada's fuel consumption is a small price to pay. Its efficiency isn't its strongest suit, but it's a compromise. Features. The 2026 Nissan Armada promises an array of exciting features that elevate it to new heights. Twin-turbocharged V6 engine, replacing the previous V8, this new engine delivers a thrilling 425 horsepower and 516 lb-ft of torque, providing exhilarating acceleration and effortless towing capability. Refreshed exterior styling, the Armada adopts a bolder and more modern design, with a prominent grille, sleek headlights, and sculpted lines that exude confidence and sophistication. Luxurious interior, the cabin is crafted with premium materials, offering plush seating, ample space for up to 8 passengers, and a host of comfort and convenience features. Advanced technology, the Armada embraces the latest technology with an extensive touchscreen infotainment system, a digital instrument cluster, and a suite of driver assistance features for enhanced safety and convenience. Off-road capability: the new Pro 4X trim adds serious off-road chops with features like an electronic locking rear differential, all-terrain tires, and skid plates, making the Armada ready for any adventure. Release date: while official confirmation is pending, industry insiders predict the 2026 Nissan Armada will likely hit showrooms in late 2025 or early 2026. Anticipation is building as automotive enthusiasts eagerly await the arrival of this impressive SUV. Price: pricing for the 2026 Armada is expected to start around $60,000 for the base SV trim and climb to around $72,000 for the fully loaded Platinum Reserve model. Of course, the final price will depend on the chosen trim level and optional features. After spending countless hours behind the wheel of the 2026 Nissan Armada, I can confidently say that it's a remarkable SUV that excels in every aspect. Its commanding presence, luxurious interior, powerful engine, and advanced technology make it a proper road titan. The Armada deserves serious consideration if you are in the market for a full-size SUV that can handle anything you throw at it. It's not just an SUV, it's an experience. The 2026 Nissan Armada represents a significant leap forward for this iconic SUV. With its powerful new engine, refreshed styling, luxurious interior, advanced technology, and off-road capability, the Armada is poised to reign supreme in the full-size SUV segment. Whether you're seeking a family hauler, an adventure companion, or a luxurious cruiser, the 2026 Armada promises to deliver an exceptional driving experience. Stay tuned for further updates as we get closer to its official release.